Check the wooden box for damage. Open the wooden box cover. Take out and inventory accessories. Screw the foot pads into the holes on the left and right bottom corners of the sheet metal to ensure stable ground placement. Align the bottom corner sheet metal to the holes of the left and right support parts, and tighten all the mounting holes with bolts. Install the crossbeam between the left and right iron frames and tighten all the mounting holes with bolts. Align the machine body support small parts to the empty space, and tighten them with bolts. Place the machine body on the bracket. Position the machine body to align the base mounting holes with the corresponding holes on the bracket. All mounting holes with bolts to ensure the stability of the machine body. Align the feed paper system support components to the empty space and tighten them with bolts. Install the left and right motors onto the round tube and tighten them. Install the assembled motor and round tube onto the fixings and tighten them. Connect the data cable to the printhead and wrap the data cable interface with electrical tape. Install the printhead onto the carriage and tighten it with bolts. Connect the other end of the data cable to the printhead card and plug it in tightly. Insert the top data cable on the left side of the printhead into the down port on the left of the printhead card. Insert the lower data cable on the left side of the printhead into the up port on the left of the printhead card. Insert the top data cable on the right side of the printhead into the down port on the right of the printhead card. Insert the lower data cable on the right side of the printhead into the up port on the right of the printhead card. Ink cartridge. Align the ink cartridge sheet metal with the hole in the fuselage. Tighten it with bolts, and place the ink cartridge into the sheet metal. Ink tube. Connect the ink tube to the ink cartridge of the corresponding color. Waste ink barrel. Align the waste ink barrel sheet metal with the hole on the machine body and tighten it with bolts. Pull out the waste ink tube and put it into the waste ink barrel. Insert the ink damper into the ink tube. Fill the ink tank with the corresponding colors. Use a needle to draw ink into the ink damper. Insert the ink damper into the corresponding printhead, CMYKW. Printhead 1 is connected to CMYK. the colors from left to right are KYMC, and print head 2 is all W.